to some news developments coming in. Prime Minister Modi will be inaugurating and laying the foundation stone of multiple development projects worth over rupees 12,000 crore today. Now, these projects will be dedicated to the people of the national capital just ahead of the election next month. A series of infrastructure development projects are included in the projects that the Prime Minister is expected to launch today, including projects in regard to the Delhi Metro. We're going to get more details on that as I go across to my colleague Riyanka, who's joining us on the phone line. In fact, she's joining us live. Riyanka, very good morning to you. Now, the Prime Minister is going to launch a slew of projects with the people of the capital just ahead of the election next month. What are some of these projects and how long is the event about to start now?
Well, ahead of the upcoming Delhi Assembly elections, we know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already set up the poll bugle and is all set to address a rally in Delhi's Rohini today. And this is going to be making a significant push to BJP's electoral campaign. And this rally comes just a day after the party has announced its first list of candidates for the elections. And the rally is a part of BJP's Parivartan Rally initiative, which will be held in Rohini's Japanese park, and this is of course following the ride on the Namo Bharat train and laying the foundation stone and inauguration development projects. Prime Minister will be addressing the rally, and during the event we are expecting the Prime Minister to launch several schemes that will be catering to women as well, and the Prime Minister is all set to lay the foundation stone for a major metro project which is aimed at connecting Rithala to the rural areas, and this move is seen as a strategic effort by the BJP to strengthen its support base in the rural areas where the Aam Aadmi Party has in fact traditionally performed well in the past elections. Also, on the other hand, the rally is going to be featuring Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address, which is expected to highlight the key development initiatives undertaken by the BJP in Delhi and broader in other sense. And we also know that Rohini is a crucial constituency for the BJP currently, which is represented by the leader of opposition Vijayendra Gupta, who has been renominated to contest the seat in the upcoming elections. So yes, we are expecting a lot of highlight from the PM's speech today. Earlier, he had hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party for their failures of keeping up to their promises. In fact, today as well, we are expecting fireworks regarding the same, but also there will be several infrastructure projects worth 12,200 crores that will be launched by Prime Minister.
All right. Thank you, Riyanka, for joining us. For now, we'll come back to you when that event begins.